Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch. Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch is an NGO from Bhilwara. Pratigya means to pledge for do something, and Ek Nayi Soch word refers to do something for the social factors like people. What people need? People need health and education. So many others. Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch is an NGO has completed its 19 vaccination camp, including a 1 mega camp. Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch has also organized a polydrops camp. Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch has also organized some activities and educational competitions like handwriting competition and yoga competition. Seeing the rising of cancer, we have decided to organize a cancer detection and awareness camp on 7th of November 2021 in Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, Bhilwara. There, check-up, mammography, pap smear, PSA test, DMD, blood test, BP check, sugar check. All of these tests are included for men and women, free of cost. Thanks.
Good evening, my name is Divyansh. Today I am going to talk about what cancer is. Our body consists of 100 trillion cells, and a cell has 200 different types. Corresponding to it, cancer also consists of 200 different diseases. And if you heard on radio that they are trying to cure cancer, the truth is that they are slightly trying to cure 200 different diseases. And inside a cell there is cell nucleus, and inside that there is DNA. And DNA consists of a gene code. It is same to a program code, that a program code tells computer how to behave. A gene code also tells our cells what to do. And if our internal system will be damaged, our cell will behave out of control. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudrit. Today I am going to talk about the power-ups and power-downs of cancer. Power-ups are those which will reduce the effect of cancer, and power-downs are those which will increase the effect of cancer. Now first talk about power-downs. You all have heard that smoking is prohibited, no smoking here, and tobacco contains almost 5,000 chemicals, from which 70 can cause cancer, including arsenic, which means rat poison. Now your diet also affects the cancer. If you are not eating a balanced and nutritional diet, you will also be affected by the cancer. Everyday physical exercise is also important, and less alcohol, no drugs, and personal hygiene should be maintained. Now let us talk about some power-ups. There are many power-ups. For example, sunlight, but not in excessive amount. It can also cause skin cancer, but don't worry, we have many protections. For example, sunscreen and umbrella. Now a tip from my side, that if you are infected by cancer, your will power and determined mind, bravery can help you to achieve the cancer. Thank you.
Slightly cancer cells grow and divide faster than a normal cells. So vampires are supposedly to be immortal, like cancer cells die when they're supposed to. How fast a cell grows, when it dies, it all controlled by the genes. If a root cell can cause cancer, it all fault of faulty genes. In the end, vampire make a group together to make their secret clones. Cancer do the same, but they make tumor. One of the cancers split off and make a second tumor. So we should take a fast checkup in every month, every year, every week, every day. That we, if possible, we can find cancer. We can take a treatment faster, and our curable chances will more. Thank you.
Hi guys, good evening. Today I am going to tell about in 2021 what are people searching for. Dance, dogs, and travel. How to survive from cancer. How to survive from cancer intentionally and emotionally. What would happen if the cancer will return? How to survive from chemo. How to survive from anxiety. What would I tell to my mother that I'm here. Cancer and anxiety, cancer and depression, cancer and PTSD. From which therapy I can be repaired from these type of diseases. Many young people are facing cancer without mental health help. What they need is that's not okay. Help hashtag that's not okay.
You to help us for making this camp a real success. Any kind of assistance would be highly appreciable. Cancer may start the fight, but we will finish it or we will end it. Stay tuned for more updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe our channel Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch on YouTube. Pratigya Ek Nayi Soch. Thank you.